Good afternoon. Welcome. Couple quick reminders for the week. We have our re-registration going on. I'm not sure about first grade, but kindergarten only has 5 that have not responded. Remember to go in and you can mark undecided, you can mark registering, or mark not registering. Make sure you do that. How to do it is there's a button there. For that. Mrs. Burdick and I will be helping out with state testing on Wednesday, so there'll be no live sessions that day. And then Mrs. Grimes, I am off Friday, so there's no live sessions for Mrs. Grimes on Friday. Our next face-to-face is April 26th, Deanna Rose in Kansas City, and the Wildlife Park in Wichita. There's an RSVP link there if you haven't. Let us know if you're coming. And our next book order will be submitted at the end of the month, so you've got some time there. What we've got going on in classes is at the bottom. Our video will be here. Remember to go back in and do our survey. The secret word will be April showers. Secret words, April showers. All right. Main thing is just to keep up on our pacing charts. Remember, our last day is May 23rd. And if you have any questions, let us know, and we can answer those for you. Have a great week, and let us know if you need anything. Thanks. Bye, guys.